So it's not hard to see why Apple's AirPods Pro, Samsung's Galaxy Buds Pro, or Huawei's FreeBuds Pro are so popular with consumers. They're lightweight, compact wireless earbuds that also offer active noise cancellation. This last feature is usually reserved for premium earbuds that cost over $200 US. Well, that's not the case anymore. This is the Huawei FreeBuds 4i. It costs between 80 to 90 US dollars depending on the region, and it basically offers all the exact same features I just mentioned earlier for those other more expensive buds, including active noise cancellation. Hi, I'm Ben, and you're watching XDA TV. Now, my pair of FreeBuds 4i comes in this clean and minimal white, but if you want to add some colors to your earbuds, they also come in this bold red and sleek black. Each bud weighs just 5.5 grams. They're lighter than the Galaxy Buds Pro 6.3 grams, and they come with a removable silicone ear tip. So included with the package, you get two other sizes. Basically, you get small, medium, and large. So that means it will fit most people's ears. This silicone tip provides a nice seal around my ear canal when I have it in my ear. So that actually begins blocking out sound just a little bit, kind of like you're wearing earplugs. Now, each bud has a touch sensitive panel here that offers direct controls to your music. If you double tap, it'll begin music playback or pause the music. If you long press on this touch sensitive panel, it will switch between the various active noise cancellation modes, including active noise cancellation, transparency, and just off, which is neutral. Now, if you want, you can customize these controls too via Huawei's AI Life app. So you can customize it so that if I long press on the right side, maybe it will increase volume. If I long press on the left side, it will decrease volume, or maybe it can trigger digital voice assistance. But of course, if you don't want to use Huawei's AI Life, that's fine. You can use these earbuds directly out of the case without needing to pair it to any app. Now, as for how do these buds sound, they sound really good, especially at this price range. There are 10mm dynamic drivers in each bud, and they push out crisp sound with a clear separation between highs and mids. So that means when I'm listening to podcasts, I can hear human voices pretty clearly. There's also a nice little bass kick if you enjoy listening to hip hop. But ultimately, what makes the Huawei FreeBuds 4i stand out is that they offer active noise cancellation at this $80, $90 price range. Previously, you usually have to go above $150, $200 to get active noise cancellation. Now, I can say that both the active noise cancellation and the transparency mode work really well. Now, there's a microphone on outside of each bud that will take in environmental sound, and then Huawei's intelligent software algorithm will either cancel that noise if you have on active noise cancellation, or selectively let in the sound that it thinks you need to hear, like maybe traffic noise if you have on transparency mode. Now, I live in one of the loudest cities in the world in Hong Kong. Just check it out when I open this window. I mean, there's constantly construction sound coming from outside. So active noise cancellation is very, very important to me. And I can vouch for these earbuds that they work quite well. So if I long press on the buds just for like a second and a half, now I'm in active noise cancellation mode. And now this is freaky. Like suddenly it's like, this window has been sealed. I can't hear sound coming from this side anymore. I don't even hear the echo in this room. But if I long press again, then I go into transparency mode now. Now it's weird. Now I hear my voice clearly. I can hear the sound coming from the window again. I can hear the echoes in the room. Yeah, I can hear my fingers snapping too. Now keep in mind, I test and come across a lot of wireless earbuds. I actually own the Huawei Freebuds Pro and the Apple AirPods Pro, and I've tested the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Jabra Elite 65T. And I can say that the Huawei FreeBuds 4i's active noise cancellation is on par with any of those earbuds that are like $100 more expensive at least or more. Now you also get really good battery life with these earbuds. So on a single charge, the earbuds can play 10 hours of continuous music. That's like 4 or 5 hours longer than what the AirPods Pro can do. Once you put it back in, then it adds another full charge and then some. So you're getting a total of 22 hours of music playback in just this one case. And this case also supports fast charging. So you just have to plug in the USB-C cable, which is included with the packaging, and just a 10-minute charge will add 4 hours of additional music audio listening to the earbuds. Now ultimately, if you have money to spend and you want the most premium wireless earbuds experience, The Huawei FreeBuds Pro is still the way to go because it offers all the features here, except it has an even larger dynamic driver for even fuller sound, and it supports wireless charging too. But if you don't need all that extra bells and whistles and you just want something that works and works well, then the Huawei FreeBuds 4i at around $80 or $90, it's probably the very best option around. It's giving you basically like 80% of what the Huawei FreeBuds Pro offer you, but at less than half the price. So anyway, that's about it for this video looking at the Huawei FreeBuds 4i. I'm Ben and you're watching XDA TV. Thanks for watching.